G'day, welcome to Endurance Room. I hope everyone's been doing well. Sorry, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. A number of you guys have reached out and asked how things were because I've been so quiet. And I appreciate y'all. Things are good. We've just been working away on our property and taking care of my family. So I hope you guys are all good too. Today, we're gonna jump back into it, take a look at a water filter from my friends at Bachgold. They're a young company based out of Switzerland that began marketing their product over in Germany, where they quickly became the #1 water filter. They just started marketing it over here in the US, and it's definitely worth taking a look at. And here we have it, the Bachgold water filter. You'll notice right off, it's got a very similar design and concept to the GRAYL water filter, which has been on the market in the US for a few years now. It's been really popular in the bushcraft and outdoor community. But the Bachgold uses a different filter process. It uses a 2-stage filter element that uses both microfiber and charcoal or carbon to filter out any pollutants. So really cool, because you get a lot more use out of it than you do the GRAYL, which is something that was a big turnoff for me for the GRAYL, considering its price tag, the amount of usage you got out of it before needing to replace the filter. It just didn't seem like a lot. You get much more volume out of this before needing to replace the filter. There is an outer bottle. You can see the fill line. It's good for 22 ounces or 650 milliliters. And then the inner bottle. And here you can see the filter element. You can replace the filter for about 25 bucks. And the whole unit is $60. So at that price, you know, you can get this plus your filter for less than you're gonna pay for at the GRAYL. So really cool. It seems like a no-brainer to me. Let's filter some water. On the outside of the bottle, we have a fill line to measure out our 22 ounces, and then you just insert the inner sleeve. And what I like to do is crack the top so the air escapes. And then you just push down, giving it a slight twist to the right. And there you have it, fresh, clean water. Not only can you drink out of this, you can also use it to refill your other containers out on the trail. Typically, I usually carry a 32-ounce steel water bottle. If it's warmer months and I'm hiking longer distance or I'm spending more time outdoors, you know, sometimes I'll bring a second water bottle and then my water filter. Depending on your water source, you may want to pre-filter with a cotton cloth or like a mill bag to keep out any extra debris from the outer cup before you filter it, and that'll extend the life of the water filter. And there you have it, the Bachgold water filter. Easy to use, easy to take care of. When you get out of the woods, you're done with it. You just disassemble it, rinse it off, and let it dry. Then it'll be good to go the next time you need it. But I'm really happy with it. I think it's a great option. 400 gallons, that's over a year's worth of water for somebody if they were filtering every day. And then having a backup filter ready to go, it's pretty cool. You know, for years, all I was really carrying was a steel bottle and then boiling it, you know, cooking it in the fire. You can see this one's been in the fire too. But all that really does is kill off bacteria and protozoa, biological contaminants. It doesn't do anything to remove any metals or sediments that you don't want to be bringing into your body, which is where having a high quality water filter, whether you're at home or out in the woods, probably a really good idea. I think this is a great option. If you want to check one out for yourself, I'll have a link for you down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon. Cheers.